Is this still part of the video we started this morning? So the steers have decided that when they get up here to scratch on this, I think what happened is they've just are pushing under it and getting out. So it's the only spot they could be going out. So I'm gonna reinforce it. I'm gonna put a steel post in here. I'm gonna put one in where that joint is. Probably that bent one, I'm gonna cut it out and put another one there. Maybe put another one down there. So to try and, here's the issue, guys, is this water gap is made, it should swing open and bust out of the way when the water comes through here so that it doesn't, you know, tear it plumb up. But so you want to wire it very loosely so that it'll do that when the water and the stuff, trash comes through here and hits it. But you also, it's got to be stout enough to hold livestock because that's its job. So let's, may have to have you lean on that like that for a second.
Lean on this?
Yeah, just push on that wire, this cable.
Oh, the cable?
Yeah.
Okay, so I gotta hold this.
Pull that up. Well,
hold on, Case wants me to start the wheelie cart. AKA, she calls it the wheelie cart. Did you get it? Did you get it to start? You have to push the brake. See the brake?
That
the
one?
big one.
This one?
Yep, push that. Push it in, and now push the pedal. Push the button. Hold the button down. Are you pushing the pedal in? You're not pushing it in. Move. Push the pedal in.
Door?
You need me to hold the deal?
that'll hold that. That'll hold that. That'll hold it in the middle. We'll get our pliers and cut that one out.
Are water gaps your favorite thing to work on, Cody?
No.
Keep branching.
Casey said, keep branching.
Okay, we need the pliers. Case. Go one down. Can you hand me those red pliers that are behind your cup up there, please? Bring them out this way. I got them. I'll get rid of this one for right now.
You gonna unbend it?
Huh?
You gonna take it up there and unbend it?
I can do it back here if I need to, but we're gonna put us one kind of right in the middle of there. Face.
That would have been
In the face.
in the face.
Alright. This guy.
What is she doing? Oh, she's eating this s'more. What are you doing? Do you need help?
I kind of spilled a little of the chocolate chips.
Oh man.
But it's okay.
Okay.
I got it cleaned up on the seat.
Okay. Oh, I didn't want you to. Don't want you to ruin it all. I'll help you. There you go.
Wait, I got graham crackers.
Graham cracker. You dip it in the stuff, and then you put the
Chocolate.
chips on it. Oh.
Try it. Tell me if it tastes good.
Oh yeah. That's good, Case.
Guys, y'all keep branching.
That's good. You're gonna like it.
I think we have a Lunchable here that is graham crackers and chocolate chips and some white stuff that's not really sticky. But yeah, we have a lot. So this camera tells me what I always do, and I also have Erica with me. So hi. So y'all better keep branching. Can I wear your hat?
Why not?
Yeah.
Ooh, girl, keep branching. All right, let me see. Let me go.
Bye bye, and hope you have a good day with me. Bye bye.
You need to start your own channel. Tell Mom to let you start your own channel. All right, I'm gonna help Cody.
I'll try it. Let's try it.
Oh yeah, you haven't tried it yet? Put the stuff on it. You gotta put the chocolate on it. Put chocolate on it. Yeah. Okay, now try it. Oh yeah. Does it taste like a s'more?
Tell them something.
Okay, tell him. What do you think?
For my mic
It's on here.
video. I read it 6-7. 6-7, keep branching.
Bro, Case needs her own channel.
Huh?
Case needs her
Oh,
own
yeah.
channel, yeah. You already done? You're just getting hot.
Gotta wire it all up now.
What's she want now? What, Beth?
Tell them who drives better.
You do. You're a good driver.
Who drives better?
Ooh,
Comment down
your earring
below.
fell out. It broke. Broke off.
Help me find it.
Probably from all this work we've been doing. We'll look for it.
No.
Yeah, we'll look for it. We'll look for it. Quit crying.
No, I already lost one.
Well, we'll look for it. It's just an earring.
What's she whining about?
Her earring broke off. All right, so what's the next step in fence building, Cody?
Well, the next step is we're trying to get us some wire out of this mess.
You can't find the end?
Yeah, I don't even know where this roll of wire come from.
It's probably this pink thing. Probably means I'm the end.
No.
Nope.
I found it. And then we're just going to go through and wire it up enough that
Loosely, but not too
not
loose.
so loose that steers can just rub on it, knock it off, hopefully.
We're not coming over there right now. We got to finish this fence. How many hamburgers do you want me to take out?
Well,
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of us plus 1, 2,
Wait,
3, 4.
The dogs are on the other
1,
side.
2, 3.
The dogs are on the other
3, 4 of
side.
them.
they're coming through.
There's 10 people.
What's the pepper
Okay.
on?
How many hamburgers do you want?
I figured 2 for everybody.
Everybody ate 2 hamburgers the other night and still wanted more, remember?
Okay, well then figure 3.
I'm just saying.
So 30, I'll get out 32. So 8 packages. And then that way, not everybody's gonna eat 3. I mean, she ain't gonna eat 3. G probably ain't gonna eat 2.
Okay.
Sure ain't gonna eat 3. Then we'll have some leftovers. Pepper, come on. Pepper, come on. Get over here, because I ain't messing with you. Come on. All right. I'm just gonna do this right here. I'm gonna go. Whoops.
What are we doing here? Oh, that's the lake.
We're gonna just do that right there. We're gonna do it about 3 times on here, which is way too much, but we ain't got any rain in the forecast. And these are some crap pliers right here. And I really wanna rebuild this a different way, so if it washes plumb out, that gives us a reason. What, Case? That's wired in a couple spots. That gonna hold?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that'll hold good.
Oh. What happened? Did you hit yourself?
She probably hit that wire that's hanging out of her.
Are you bleeding?
So if it washes plumb out, that gives us a reason. What, Case? That's wired in a couple spots. That gonna hold?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that'll hold good.
Oh. What happened? Did you hit yourself?
She probably hit that wire that's hanging out of her.
Are you bleeding?
I should have wearing my boots. Because I get brought them, but they're not here. Oh, this is tore up.
What's tore up?
Look, the squiggly line.
She's talking about your fence, bro.
Bro, I just fixed this. It's not tore up, it's fixed up. Huh? Well, it's because we hadn't tied it all up yet. That's what we're doing now.
Don't step in the mud. With your good shoes.
My potato shoes are my good shoes.
Those are good shoes too.
Didn't you just get those for Christmas? Which is it, yes or no?
Let me go fill that pond water that she got in. Can I go fill that water that she got in?
Don't get muddy.
Okay, come on.
How you gonna go through water and not get muddy?
She said she's gonna fill it.
These are not good pliers. I'm gonna donate them to the creek when we get finished.
What is a good time? Oh, I don't have a fire. I feel like this is a good time to address the when are y'all gonna start using the new feedlot question. And although the new feedlot barn is finished, there's still a lot to do up there. We still have to set the pins up. We have to weld in all the gates to get the pins set up. We got to put in water lines and water troughs. So there's still a lot to do up there, and it was just that's a lot to do over Christmas, and then we go right into our county fairs coming up, so we've got to spend time getting ready for that. So as soon as that's over,
And we still
Hopefully.
have full-time jobs too,
Yeah.
so it's kind of, you just got time to work on it when you can. We do have the cattle in some pens, feeding them. Like this is part of the ones that are going to go in there. And the ones up at the lodge, we've got them pinned up and got them on feed. It's just not where we really want them, but it'll be all right.
so as soon as the feedlot is finished, that's when they'll be there. That's why we're not using it yet. Although the barn's finished, the rest of it's just not ready yet. Let's go see what Casey's doing while he finishes. Did you fill the water? No, you can't fill it without getting muddy, huh?
Yeah. Well, I can't go down there with that hill. I'm try. How long did it try? Can I get a park right here?
Yeah, go right there where Pepper went.
Did it? Come around. Come on, come on. Look at this.
That's a big one.
And make sure I don't step in any mud.
Look, what about that spot right there? Okay, go. Don't get in the mud.
Nope.
Yeah. What about that spot? That's kind of a good spot.
Have you touched it?
Yeah. Kylie and Clancy used to swim in this when it gets high enough.
Did Clancy swim in it when he was a little child? Can't we swim? Can I swim in it? Maybe can I swim in it? Maybe.
When it gets summertime.
No, do y'all have the pool full out?
No, it's cold outside. It's not hot enough for the pool.
What if I go through that?
Yeah, I don't think you can feel it. Oh, what about down here? Come down here. Can you come right down here?
Where?
Somewhere out in here?
That's nasty.
Yeah, I don't know if you're going to be able to feel it. What about over there? Did you just give that girl Dr. Pepper? You better not do Big Red.
Big Red.
I can't drink a little.
She said she tried to tell me she could drink a little, and she kept trying to drink one.
You better be glad you didn't do the Big
No way,
Red.
Jose.
Okay, so we got it all done. We're all in.
We're all done with that. Now I got to go to town and put out fires in town.
Okay. Well, we can close this bad boy out then. Here, hold that. I got.
Y'all
my
didn't do any
stuff
chicken
put up.
feeding or?
We'll probably go check the chickens in a minute. If I get all that put in here, I'll do it. But I don't know.
So
We'll
normally
see.
we don't fix water gaps or chase calves, but
Yeah, so
today it just happened to work out that way. So
We got a lot of extra stuff in here.
and
Now we're gonna go chase pillows because the wind blew 90 miles an hour this morning before we got up, and they're.
we've got a day bed on the front porch that the kids and Erica and me occasionally get to sit on in the evenings, and
I left it uncovered, and the wind started blowing, so we're gonna go.
they're gonna gather up pillows, cover that up,
and then
check
tonight.
the chickens.
Tonight is Today's Garrett's birthday, which is Casey's.
They may not know Garrett who.
Garrett's Casey's dad, and so we're going
Ginger
to
is Casey's mom, which is our adopted daughter. Not
bonus daughter.
technically bone. Yeah, I don't like calling her adopted because you're either our kid or you ain't our kid. So she's our daughter.
Bonus daughter, whatever, daughter.
Yeah, daughter. Yeah.
And so we're gonna have Garrett's birthday tonight. We're gonna grill burgers and do a peach cobbler in the Dutch
Outside,
oven.
yeah.
We need to find the Dutch oven. Make sure it's good.
I think it's in here.
And so we're gonna get some hamburgers out and get ready for that while they're all going to town. So
I'm gonna go to town and
Yeah.
do some work in town.
thank y'all for watching.
Till next time, keep ranching
Wrenching.
and praying.
We need to put Casey at the end saying, keep ranching.
Yeah.
She done said it like 40 times. Thank
Bye,
y'all.
y'all.
Guys, y'all keep branching.